White's objective here is to make a living shape. The most intuitive move would be this one, and this seems like a ko, but the correct answer is not a ko. So white can actually play this move and now prevent black from connecting. And this will actually succeed, right? Something like this. White will have two real eyes this way. And of course, if black connects, white will have an even bigger eye space. So after 1, 3, and 5, white can succeed. And it shouldn't be too hard to calculate. And given white's weakness here, any other move will not work. If white plays here, guarding against this cut, black can play this move. And if white plays here, then black can destroy this eye by playing the Atari. If white plays here, black can still play this move. And white can only connect here. And white is already dead. This would be a corner bent 4 shape, which is a dead shape for white. So number 1 will not work after black's number 2. If white connects here, then black can play something like this. And this will be a bulky 5 shape in the end. It will be something like this. Black will be able to force white to capture a bulky 5 shape, and this will be a dead shape for white. So white is dead after 2 and 4. And there are really no other moves. This will fail pretty easily for the same reasons as the previous 2 patterns, and these will not work because black can capture this snapback. So number 1 is the only first move, and it's important to avoid this ko by playing here at number 3 and 5. So this pattern might come up in games, and it's important to remember this 1, 3, 5 sequence. Thank you for watching.